Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can replace the wiper on your Karcher window vac. This model is a WV5, so you can buy replacements from places like eBay and also from Karcher themselves. They're not expensive. So if you find that your one's starting to perish, or it's got misshapen, or it's leaving a lot of streaks and smears on the window, then you might need a new wiper. To replace them is really easy. All you have to do is grab it, not the serrated bottom bit, but the top wiper, and just start sliding it out. It will come out either way. Doesn't matter which way you go, and just slide it all the way out. You might find it's helpful if it's a little bit wet. So if you just used it, you might find it's easier than when it's completely dry. That comes out there. And if you have a look at your new one, you can see that this is the thin bit here and this is the thicker bit at the end. You just have to put the thicker bit in here. Just follow the shape of it. You can see there that it's shaped like so, and it will go in either way. It doesn't matter which way you put it in. So just put it in like that way there, and then start working it along. Now it can be a little bit fiddly. Again, it might help if it's wet. You just push it all the way along. This one in particularly easy. Sometimes they can be a lot stickier. And you can see there, even if you've stretched it a bit, don't worry, because it will just work its way back into shape again. There you go, and you can see it's nice and level on both sides. So there we have it, a nice, straightforward, easy job to do yourself. Thanks for watching.